Alright, let's do a cold start on this thing. Oh, my exhaust is closed. Alright, so I look a little funny right now because I freaking have a GoPro strapped to my head. But that was the cold start right now. It's freaking loud, bro. RP. And my neighbors are probably gonna hate me. Why does... Bro, I look way too weird right now. Anyways, right now we're just gonna go on the night drive. You see I have the freaking GoPro strapped. I got the strap on and it's recording as well. I haven't really drove the car recently. Let's freaking get into it right now, bro. I believe the last POV drive that I did in the M4 was actually when I went to the canyons. So, if you guys remember, that was probably like months ago and stuff. Since then, I haven't really like done no crazy drive again, you know? Freaking love this car so much. Another thing is, like, I really feel like I've said this so many times, but I really want to focus on like just filming anything, honestly. Like, I think these last few weeks, even months, year, whatever, my issue with YouTube like has been that, okay, I'm gonna wait till I get the perfect freaking video idea, blah blah, right? But then like I overthink every single video idea and every single video I've filmed. I've filmed so many videos, guys. I just went to Yosemite, I got some footage, went to Big Bear, got some footage. Like, there's so many times I was gonna record a video and it just doesn't pull through because I don't like how the footage came out, I don't like the idea, I don't like the energy I had, blah blah blah. But like, honestly, now I'm just gonna try to post whatever the heck I can. Like, I'm trying not to overthink it too much. That's actually like a bad habit that I've always had. But you know what, with TikTok, like, I freaking post anything and everything. So I'm gonna try to do the same thing for YouTube, you know? Because I really do want to do YouTube more, long term especially, and especially car content. I freaking bought this car to make content and I haven't even made that much content, so time to start paying that gas money, boy. One thing that I really need to look into, if you freaking know anything about YouTube and like copyright and stuff like that, please let me know, like, what are songs that I can freaking listen to? Because every time I do these POV drives, what the heck, this guy just passed the red light. You guys just see that, bruh? Anyways, every time I do these drives, the main thing I hate is like, okay, I can't even listen to music and I don't want it to be awkward. But then at the same time, like, I be watching these drives for like, I mean, I be doing these videos for like just the pure sound and just chill aesthetic, whatever. So I'm like, do you guys even care about the music? Like, I don't know. Somebody please let me know if you have any freaking clue about that. Bodafies, bro, Bodafies. See that white flashing light? I hope you guys can see it in the camera. That's a freaking drone, bro. Literally a drone, guys. I had a drone before, so I know. That sounds so stupid, dude. The cops have drones now, bruh. Watch that not even be a fucking drone and it's just a fucking tower. Nah, it's a drone though. Trust guys, please. Look at that truck right there. look at the freaking moon. I really have no clue where I'm going. Like, I might get lost. There's actually a cop back there, guys. I'm not even joking. I was literally about to do a pull and he's like right there, bruh. Thank God I didn't. Hopefully he doesn't come this way. Smells like barbecue or something, or like carne asada or some shit like that. Gulp. The ZL1, guys. It's a ZL1. You know what's actually really funny? I was about to get one of those cars, bro, but I ended up going with the M4. Thank God I did, honestly. I love this car. Gonna race? Let's see these guys step on it. God, I can smell the gas. I can smell it. Sorry, guys. It really scares me when the freaking, not scares me, but like, it still hits me when the turbo fucking hits, bro. It's like you just feel like you get sucked. Whoa, 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 pause, bro. What you mean? You get sucked? I don't know anymore. Bro, I freaking love trucks. Not like those trucks, but like, you guys see my Tahoe that I've been having. If you guys have seen my older videos, you guys know that I have a beater of a Tahoe. honestly, like, I've been going through it with that truck because I just don't know what to do. It's really sat there. I mean, think about it. If I barely drive this car, what makes you think I'm gonna freaking drive the other truck? Like, I just barely drive, bro. So like, it's just been sitting there. I don't know what to do with it. I really am debating selling it, but at the same time, content wise, it's like, bro, should I just freaking fix it? But like, do you guys even care about that right now? I don't know. I could always just buy another truck later on down the line, you know. Whoa, 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 whoa. All these bumps. It was like, it's a little sketchy. So I did pull up here. Oh my gosh, yo, the last time I came, they did not have all of this, bro. They upgraded. Holy moly. Wait, I'm kind of like, this is kind of scary too, because the last time I came here, there was literally no building there. It was just pure freaking land. And I remember hearing voices up in here, so I really hope I don't encounter ghosts, because I don't take ghosts well. And then all of these buildings are like pretty much empty. They're offices. So we're just gonna pull up here, hope that we don't catch any ghosts, because if we do, I'm honestly gonna dip as soon as I can. Yeah, anyways, let's turn the freaking lights on. Anyways, we're right here in this big freaking lot, and like I said, I really do believe that this thing is haunted, so I guess we're gonna have to be careful. Anyways, look at how beautiful this thing freaking looks. I love this car. The front lip is missing, if any of you noticed. I'm gonna make, you know what, I should make a full entire video on that, like a story time. If you guys want to see that, I'll freaking make a video soon. But honestly, other than that, I really haven't done much to this car at all. Like, obviously, you guys know I did the exhaust on it. Oh my god, it looks freaking beautiful. You guys know I did the exhaust on the car. It was the full Valvetronic exhaust. Pretty much, I haven't done wheels on it. I really want to do wheels, but again, I have a lot of other plans this year, so I'm like trying not to splurge too much. Yes, I'm broke, okay, sorry. As far as the lip goes, I already have the other lip at the house. I just haven't installed it. Headlights, I need to do a headlight restoration, you know. This thing's a little bit faded. I don't know why. I did put those M lights in. I don't know if I've ever mentioned, but I did add these little M lights, which I freaking think looks sick. For the interior, we literally just added more mods. So I did this handbrake right here with Alcantara. Then I also did a carbon fiber trim right there. Carbon fiber trim up here because my old one that came with the car was freaking faded terrible. It looked so freaking ugly. So I'm just gonna order this piece and then this piece. And I think for the interior, that might be it. After that, it's just gonna be the steering wheel. I want to do something freaking fat and aggressive. And then as far as like actual performance mods go, I don't really know if I'm gonna do anything crazy yet. Obviously, everybody does downpipes. Everybody does a stage 2, crank hubs, all that extra thing. I'm probably gonna do it down the line because if I'm being honest, I did the fuel injectors. I've talked about it a few times. I also did the spark plugs, the coils. I did a few like extra things. Realistically, I spent like $10,000 on this car, bro, apart from the freaking payments and how much I put down. Okay, realistically, like, if I didn't put those $10,000 down, I either could have paid this car off even more, or I could have just paid like the minimum payment and then traded it in for an even better car, like, you know, at around this time. But my dumbass made the mistake of freaking doing all this other shit. Now I'm probably gonna have to keep the car even longer. I'm not complaining though. I'm still freaking grateful that I obviously even have this car. A lot of people don't get to do this, especially without their parents, especially when you dropped out of high school and all this other shit. So I'm really grateful for this. But yeah, I really didn't want to keep this car long, and now I really do think I might have to. Again, I don't know if I'm maturing or what, but like, I have a freaking girlfriend, I have siblings to take care of, and I really do feel like I'm trying to be careful with spending on crazy things. Especially, again, I have plans this year. One of them is hopefully moving out and getting my own place. That's going to be huge, which is why, again, I'm trying to hold off on the car stuff a little bit. But yeah, that's freaking it for now. Like, honestly, there hasn't been much freaking crazy things I've done on this recently. Bro, just look at how freaking creepy that looks right there. So last time I came, they only had this huge building right here. Also, there's a coffee shop over there that Crystal actually took me and Jocelyn to, and it was freaking delicious. We should go there again. And then look, they barely built this thing. What if you guys just see like somebody peek out the window? If you guys see anything, screenshot it, tag me, bro. Honestly though, what if I like start doing phase rug type of stuff? Like, I'm honestly not a huge fan of like scary things, so I'm probably not gonna do it. I really can't freaking get over how beautiful this car is though. Like, I know I freaking shit on myself a lot because I'm like, yeah, it's an F82. I mean, I always wanted this model. I don't really like the G80s, to be honest. I don't think I'll ever upgrade to one. I freaking love F80s. But yeah, I know I give myself a lot of shit because I'm trying to aim higher. I'm trying to do better things, whatever. But you know, it's still an achievement. I gotta give it to myself. It's a beautiful car. It handles well. If you made it this far, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like the video. Again, comment down if all these other things I freaking asked in the video. Make sure you guys comment below. I'm really gonna start posting random content, so you guys are gonna see a mixture of like car stuff, lifestyle stuff, you know, what I do with TikTok and a bunch of other things, advice, motivation. I'm gonna do all kinds of content just because like I don't think nobody cares right now, bro. You know, I don't really have crazy amount of subs. Make sure you guys start investing because I'm gonna be the best investment you freaking make, trust me. I'm gonna leave all of my socials down below. Instagram, I barely started posting on there again, so I'm trying to grow the following. Make sure you guys go follow. Make sure you follow my TikTok too. I'm gonna try doing live streams on there more. But thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. I know it's freaking boring, whatever, but thank you.